Hey guys, what's happening? How to delete an account on Google Authenticator. So go ahead and open up the Google Authenticator app, right? And then swipe left to, and then tap the delete icon or trash icon, okay? And double click to remove account. Confirm the deletion when prompted. It's important to ensure that two-factor authentication is disabled for that account, or that you have other means of logging in before deleting the account from Google Authenticator. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.